How to set up OpenCart Google Shopping Integration, Google Merchant Center Integration, sync OpenCart products easily, auto feed generation, create and update Google Ads product feeds automatically, higher visibility, improve product reach on Google Shopping. Easy setup, quick and user-friendly configuration, customizable feeds, adjust feed settings as needed, boost sales, get more traffic and conversions via shopping ads. This is module understanding video of Google Shopping module. So here we are proceeding further to first installation of the module. In the installation, you need your store location in your FTP. So on the right side, you should have the store location where you will find the files like Image System Catalog and Admin. On the left side, you should have a module folder upload and OC mode. Under the upload, you will find the same file name of System Image Catalog and Admin. You have to choose all the files on the left side and drag it to your right so that the image profiles can be overlapped. Once they overwrite, the installation will be completed. You will find the module in your Extension tab, then you have to go on the Installer tab where you have to upload the OC mode file. You will be redirected to your local where you have to choose the OC mode file and upload it here. Once the same is uploaded, you have to go on the Modification tab. You have to refresh the tab and clear the cache. Once again, refresh the tab, go on the extension. Now install the Google Shopping module from the Modules tab. You have to go on the module listing page. Here, you will find the Google Shopping. It is in the uninstalled condition. Then you have to click on Install. It will install the module. Click on the edit link. You will be redirected to the general setting page where you have to configure the module. Now the first functionality says that automatic create the feed. In case you want your feed to be automatic created, then you have to choose yes, else keep it no. Next, we are having a Google application name where you have to enter the application name, then you have to enter the client ID and secret ID and merchant ID. These you have to create from your Google Cloud Console account. And to configure the same, we have given the user manual to configure it where you have to upload the redirect URL in your account. Once you will create the same, you have to update the details here. Once you will complete the detail and click on Sell, it will redirect you to the page where you have to authenticate the account. Click on Authenticate Account. You have to choose the email through which you wanted to authenticate the Google Shopping account. Once the authentication is done, you will have a message like Account has been authenticated successfully. The system is ready to send the product, but before that time, ensure the module is connected to the General Setting tab and create the profile and feed. You have to go on the General Setting tab and you have to configure the same and click on Save first. The first step says to enable and disable the module. It will enable it. The module will be active for your store. Next is exclude out-of-stock product. Here, in case you want out-of-stock product to not get synced to the Google Shopping, then you have to keep it yes, in case all the products that are mapped with the category will be synced there. Next, we are having the exclude product with the price less than. In case you have entered an amount of 10, 20, or whatever you require, you have entered an amount, and that amount less than that. Product price products are not going to be synced. Next, we are having exclude product for those who do not have EAN 13, JAN, or UPC. In case these details are not present in any of the product details, then those products will not going to be synced from the mapped category. In case you want this to be done, then click it Yes. Next, we are having the Utopic Companion, UTM source parameter, and UTM parameter. There you have to mention the details. Next, after filling all the details, click on Save so that the settings will be saved and the system should be reflected. Next, we are having a feed management. Here you have to, before that, we are having profile management. So we have to create the profile so that products could get synced. So we have to choose a category which can choose the country, then choose the language, then choose OpenCart language. Here choose the currency that is going to be. Next time we are having a currency, so we have chosen the currency of the country that we have selected. Next we are having the profile title and choose the Google categories under which your products is going to be mapped. So we have selected the Google categories and click on Save. Then we are having the store category. Here we have to choose the store category in which the products are being mapped and that are going to be synced. Next, we are having the GTI and MPN size. In these details, you want it to be filled for your products, and you can fill the same. These are the product details functionality, so you have to select that product and fill the details accordingly. Next, we are having the product shipping. Here you can select the shipping that you wanted to give. Then we are having the feed label. feed is going to be updated daily basis or the monthly basis or the weekly basis. You can choose any of them. In the daily basis, you can choose the hour. In the weekly basis, you can choose the day and the hour. In the monthly basis, you can choose the day of the month and the hours. Right now, we are choosing the daily. Next, we are having the custom label. So we have chosen we have entered the custom label. After entering the label, for all the fields, you have to click on Save. Once you have chosen all the details, you have to click on Save so that the profile is being created. Now you have to first create the feed. So go on the feed management. The feed is automatically created since we have already selected the same. Now go on the product listing page and local sync so that the product that you have mapped should be listed here. Once you got the success message, refresh the page. Now you have to sync the product on Google. Click on the cron tab. Now refresh the page as soon as it takes the 24 hours maximum to list on the Google Shopping. So it will take the time. So once the product will be listed successfully here, you will find the listing of the IDs and then you will click on it. It will redirect you to the Google Shopping where the product has been listed. Furthermore, here we are having the Synchronization tab, where we have added all the synchronization crons. So you can also check the crons from here. This is all how the Google Shopping module works on the OpenCart store. Also here, you can create the multiple profiles for all the categories that are present. Also here, you can map the additional categories in case the same is present. Furthermore, you can delete the same and you can edit the categories. You can edit more categories from here as well. When you will click on the tab, you will have a listing of the Google categories and the store categories. When you will edit and you can click on Save, it will ask to confirm. Here, you just have to select all the Google categories and click on Save. Once you have saved, then the product that has been mapped with the category will be listed in the Product Listing tab. You will find it the same here. If you will local sync and the product is being listed in the new added categories, that will be listed in the Product Listing tab. So after running the cron, you have to just refresh the page. If no products are being mapped with the added category, then no products will be listed here. So this is how the Google Shopping module works for the OpenCart store. Thank you.